Welcome to Techtopia X, where tech...
If you want to check it out yourself, the product link is down below. Today we're taking a closer look at a lightweight but surprisingly powerful drone that's designed for beginners, travelers, and anyone who wants high-quality aerial footage without dealing with bulky gear. This is the Ameta S50 Lite, a GPS-powered 4K camera drone that weighs under 249 grams, making it easy to carry, easy to fly, and easy to use anywhere you go. Right out of the box, the drone feels compact and travel-friendly. At just 248 grams, it stays under weight restrictions in many regions, which means less hassle and more flying freedom. But don't let the size fool you. This drone is packed with features that make flying smoother, safer, and more cinematic. The first thing you'll appreciate is the camera. The S50 Lite comes with a Sony IMX258 sensor and a 90-degree adjustable lens, so you can capture crisp 4K footage and 13-megapixel stills with impressive clarity. Whether you're shooting landscapes, events, or content for social media, the detail you get from this camera is way above what you'd expect from a drone this compact. The 5G Wi-Fi transmission gives you up to 500 meters of real-time FPV, so your live view stays smooth and responsive while you fly. GPS performance on this drone is extremely reliable. You get several built-in return-to-home modes, including one-key RTH, low battery RTH, and signal loss RTH. That means the moment something goes wrong, the drone knows exactly how to make its way back to you. The GPS Follow Me mode is a standout feature. It locks onto your position and follows you automatically, making it great for biking, running, hiking, or filming creative shots without touching the controller. You also get Waypoints Flight, letting you map a custom route and let the drone fly it on its own. Flight time is another big advantage here. The drone comes with two 2,000 mAh batteries, giving you a total of up to 50 minutes of airtime. That's around 25 minutes per battery, which lets you explore farther and shoot longer without constantly swapping batteries or rushing your shots. Flying the S50 Lite is extremely beginner-friendly. You get one-key takeoff and landing, optical flow positioning, GPS altitude hold, and 3 adjustable speed levels, so you can fly at your own comfort level. Even if you're brand new to drones, this setup makes learning quick and stress-free. And if the drone loses signal or the battery gets low, it automatically returns home, keeping your flights safe and controlled. Ameta also added a suite of smart shooting modes that help you capture dynamic shots without needing expert piloting skills. You can choose from rocket mode, circle fly, far away, panorama, time-lapse, and gesture selfie. These modes make it easy to get cinematic footage that usually takes a lot of manual flying to create. Overall, the Ameta S50 Lite is a fantastic drone for beginners, casual flyers, and even more advanced users who want portability without sacrificing performance. You get 4K clarity, strong GPS features, intelligent flight modes, long battery life, and a lightweight design that makes it perfect for travel. If you're looking for a drone that's easy to control but still delivers professional-looking results, this one checks all the boxes. If you want to check it out yourself, the product link is down below.